Abayeke. I-warning, this is a warning, it's a first and last warning. Makukhona umuntu omphakathi la othi yena ugada amakutshukutshu ngicela yeke. Angifuni ukusikhuluma indaba eziningi. Lo mlayezo uzofika kuye.
Uyabona uma ngabe bekuthiwa ake kuhlehla amaphoyisa afulathele nje angaboni nomphakathi ukuhlehla ufulathele ungaboni bese kuthiwa ke Nhlanhla phakela umthakathi ake nibone lento nixoxa nilungisa kanjani.
One thing we're going to have to establish is that when Phakela Umthakathi came to Soweto, he came there because the people of Soweto wanted him there.
Labona how to bari mosheshi motho a batlang dintho di tla ka ena fela ho bolela peking nene ba reng ke Nhlanhla Lux.
Wona Nhlanhla Lux ungasipayizeli. Nhlanhla Lux le operation kudlula angasipayizeli.
Abahlali besidlula sisithi sikhona nathi umzabalalazo usaqhuba.
Aibo, what happened?
This is the most shocking, saddest, heartbreaking thing that I've ever heard this year. Watch this.
Tavane Street, right?
Mina nje no Phakela I can confirm that you have been used.
Ungangibizi ngecriminal uthini? Ungangibizi ngecriminal.
This is Open Up Podcast. Welcome. In this channel, we give you the updates of what is happening currently here in South Africa. I can say, or you can say, the current events. More especially the videos that people share them on their social media platforms. So that's what we give you. Each and every one that we have just watched in the beginning of this video is part of this video, but it's very much important for you at home to watch the whole video so that you can understand the context of what these people are talking about. People are not happy on social media about what happened, the standout between Nhlanhla Lux and Phakela Umthakathi. But before we go to that video of Phakela Umthakathi whereby he was issuing a warning to everyone that is protecting illegal immigrants, let's start here.
We are chasing.
Petroleum, chase, twee bakkies, hulle het gespring en hardloop. Delta X-ray, 11 Yankee Bravo, Wittier Dialogue, Silver, Fortuna, Juliet Lima.
We are right at Watu Road, Absa. We are yet Absa. I'm going to tell you now.
Rechts, see what for Wittier. Stormville Road.
Yeah, Sierra Big 50, we're going to Stormville Road. Praat, down.
Crazy, Stormville Road, daar's hy. Lunch, Stormville lunch, highway 2.
Kom. Now we're taking a stolen vehicle. Praat, yes.
Richting highway, Stormville.
Wat maak hy?
Hilux draai rechts. Jackie Fortuna.
N4, direction N4.
Move. Lunch. Okay,
Right,
Stormville.
we are going left in stand by. Left in Mosik.
Langs Mosik. I see rechts.
Right in Mosik. We are in the industrial area. Fortunate. Steal the road. Right, we are back. We are going towards Silverton. We're going towards Silverton. Derde poortrood. Derde poortrood. Derde poortrood. Yes.
Ja, we doen de bridge. Kijk, kom terug, Stormvol, pas toe, kom
We are going back Stormvol. We're going back Stormvol road. He's making a right. We're going right towards Stormvol. Right towards Stormvol. Right towards Stormvol.
I'm taking the bridge. I'm taking the bridge. Are you coming to the one that's not bigger?
Negative. We are going towards Stormvol. Stormvol direction east. Stormvol east.
On your left, on your left.
On your left. It's passing on your left. That's behind you. Behind you. That's Fortner in front. The Fortner in front. No, we're chasing a stolen vehicle. We're chasing a stolen vehicle.
Tony off-road, net voor petroleum. Hij gaat links, hij gaat links, hij gaat links.
Wat gaat er van? Ik zal
Crash, hij crash. Forster.
We are in yesterday, Forster road.
Kijk, draai links van Forster, hij draai links Forster af. Balik staan. Daar zijn voort, gaan daar zijn.
Hou jou mee op, Vel.
Daar gaan hy oor, ek gaan oor. St. Joseph, hy's op in St. Joseph, eerste kant toe.
St. Joseph, we are going, where's St. Joseph? We are in St. Joseph, direction east. Alright.
Block him. Police car in front, block him.
The police car in front, block him, the police car in front.
Spring voort. What? Tire.
Get up, wacht nee, wat is dit?
Ja, ik check hem even, nu hoor niet.
What's the gun?
Okay, kom Stormvol af, opzet op die klein paadjie Stormvol.
Back Stormvol.
Stormvol legs, Mamelodi 73.
Going to Mamelodi. Right, vehicles, we are in Mamelodi and shit. Kijk my straat. Straat.
Ek soek 'n straat.
Shit.
Ras. Nitsing Street.
We are Nitsing Street, Mamelodi.
Ja.
Vehicles east in Nitsing Street. Had ik. Alright, we are turning right in Tabane Street, right.
Net dader is jy linkerkant kom. Right.
Right in Mampela, wrestling base. Okay, stop! Juliet Lima, 6 Mike Foxtrot. Hands up! Alright, control ambulance, suspect shot. I'm going to find out which street now. What street is this? Kyle, bring it, Weedy.
Yeah? Ngangibizi ngecriminal uthini? Ngangibizi ngecriminal. Ake criminal. Uska peta o etsa ntwe. Uska peta o etsa mogolo. Uska peta o etsa ntwe. Ake criminal. Uska peta o etsa ntwe. No, skapita winch. Ugua masip. Ugua masip. Ugua masip. Okay, we can. If we sa hlompi mutom le rona ra khona o sa hlompi. Rena le capacity tswana le ao. Re qadile hampe ka baka la comment ya ntate o.
As I always say, that when the country like South Africa is at the stage where it is now, having people that are marching and having the elections, criminals will take advantage of that. As we have watched the first clip, Utata Morero, he doesn't want to be called a criminal. The second clip that we have watched, please like this video, share your comment at home, and subscribe to the channel so that each and every time when I bring videos like this one, they come to you as a notification. Let's move to another clip.
Abayeke. I-warning, this is a warning. It's a first and last warning. Makukhona umuntu omphakathi la othi yena ugada amakutshukutshu, ngicela yeke. Angifuni ukusikhuluma indaba eziningi. Lo mlayezo uzofika kuye. Ngicela yeke. Ngoba thina mase sifika ngo3 ekseni akuzu kuba mnandi. Akuzu kuba mnandi ngoba sofika kuye ngo3. Ungumdayisi, umuntu ogada abantu bokufika. Ungumdayisi ngesizulu sakithi le uyimbuka. Vele imbuka ke lika linyamalale nje lingasithi lasho na. Kuzokwenza kanjalo kulabo bantu ngoba sizukufihla lokho thina. Usombona engasekho nje singazi ukuthi washo na. Nathi sibambe ihlathi sibabazi ukuthi washo na. Uyabo. Asizukuvuma ukuthi sithi silwimpe ingozi einganeni zethu amadoda. Wemadoda. Uyabona umuntu ohlasela ingane usuke eqeda isizwe. Laba abantu iTaxi uthi bayinika izingane. Ama snacks bawanika izingane. Ama drugs bawanika izingane. Uma thina ngoba thina siyazi vele sizofa kuqala kunezingane zethu. Kuyosala obani? Kuyosala obani? Wena kuyasuka ngwakithi uyogada umuntu okufika wena. Ayikho leyo nto leyo. Ama security companies siyahlangana nawo siyakhuluma nawo. Insizwa zakithi lezi ezama abantu. Lesi sitolo kusasa. Kusasa lesi sitolo kusasa. Uma kuukuthi lo muntu umuzo womuntu lo mnikazi walo muzo ufuna ukuthi isitolo siqhubeke sisebenze. Mina njengoba ngime lapha MMC. Ngithembene uMMC njalo bangikhuluma. Njengoba ngime la kusasa singafaka isitoko sika 5000 lapha. Kusebenza umnikazi wale yandawo. Manje yini ke bangukuthi wena uzulwela ukuthi lesi sitolo singavali yini bangalokho ngithi mina ngoba ngimela manje umnikazi wale ndawo maye khona la kusasa cha sixabani bafowethu sixabani ngiyakhuluma nje umnikazi wanendawo maye khona ngoba ngimela angikhuluma into ya next week ngikhuluma into yamanje masithi akuphume laba abantu manje ngithi mina isitoko sika 5000 rand manje hamba yona nje isitoko afaka lapha kusebenze yena ebese thina siwumphakathi angithi sesiyazi ukuthi isitolo sika Mamkhize lesiya siyahamba siyosupporta sonke.
One thing we're gonna have to establish is that when Phakela Mthakathi came to Soweto, he came there because the people of Soweto wanted him there. The people of Bramfisher wanted him there. If you saw the post interviews after the altercations he had in Ntantalax, the people were saying, we called him here because we've been having this problem here. And sometimes when we do those things by ourselves in our cases, we become targets. And that's why we preferred someone to come and help us there, because these very people that we are fighting, and we might find ourselves in danger. That's why Runa Rebata Phakela Abeda. When Phakela Mthakathi was called in Eastern Cape, he went there because the people there wanted him there. They never said you're not from Eastern Cape. Wabona, this one, Bafetu, it's bigger than individuals. And I like it when a leader says, this one is not about me, but it's about what South Africans want. This one, it's got nothing to do with we own this, we are from here, we are from Kaika. It's a South African issue. Aisale issue Makasan. That's why the march happened nationwide, 9 provinces. That's why they went to Eastern Cape to deal with the Nigerians who were getting ordained or whatever they were doing in Eastern Cape. That's why there was a march there to say you can't come and ordain a king from Nigeria in Eastern Cape. It's not a thing or it's a national issue, and those who are dedicated to that work must do that work, because Kimo Phakela has made it his mission to work with communities. So the situation that happened yesterday, it is said that the landlord where the Pakistanis or the Bangladeshis were renting were giving that lady a tough time, and they didn't want to leave. And that's the reason why they called Phakela Mthakathi. If people are going to claim, we must sort this out, why were they not helping that landlord there? Because that's the story with yesterday's case. Those people didn't want to leave the place of the landlord, and then she asked for help from Mphakathi involved Phakela Mthakathi. So if you're going to have to come with this mentality, how does that work now? Because the lady has been complaining and crying. Even the police couldn't help. So if you're going to claim tomorrow you couldn't help this landlord, what are we talking about? So when someone says, this is my job, I'm going to work with communities, they're going to invite me and I'll be there to support them, I don't see it as an issue. We cannot sell our country, we can't sell our country, guys. It goes back to, this has nothing to do with not liking this person or that person. It's about being a patriot of South Africa. It's about wanting our country to be lawful, because we've got offsprings, we've got children in this country. It's got nothing to do with the drama that we are seeing, because now we are seeing people that were against this thing, Saba Unite. The coalition, the comments, that party and that party, because now elections are also coming. This whole thing is destabilizing a whole lot of political parties, and that's why we are seeing the chaos we're seeing online. So going forward, if really there's nothing happening behind the scenes, let's listen to what the community wants. At the end of the day, the places we live in are for the community. If the community says we want this, we can't go there and say, Kasi, this. There are Kasis that will tell you, this thing, right? And then people should be left alone. But if the community says, this is what we want, I think the community should be allowed to practice their freedom and their rights as a community. If they want to invite Phakela Mthakathi, he must come through and support them.
As I said in the beginning of this video, people are not happy on social media. In this video, you'll see a lot of people that are not happy regarding Unhlanhla Lux. I've said my comment yesterday in the video that I've posted. I commented, long. The comment was long. I said my view regarding the whole situation. Share your view at home regarding what is happening now. Let's keep going.
Kwesinye isikhathi enye into ayifunakala uthi lokho ikhulunywa nje yakude. Uyabona uma ngabe bekuthiwa ake kuhlehla amaphoyisa afulathele njengaboni nomphakathi ukuhlehla ufulathele ungaboni bese kuthiwa ke Nhlanhla Phakela Mthakathi ake nibone lento nixoxa nilungisa kanjani. Labantu uma bethiwa bekufanele bajikele nje khoneni bayikhulume lento noma kuthiwa beyikhuluma kanjani bebezobuya sebengqondo yinye. And siyazi ukuthi ubani obezobuya esevumelana nomunye. Lokho nje siyakwazi lokho. Siwuzulu nje siyakwazi lokho. Kodwa angifuni ukuya lapho ngoba kuzobe ngathi sekuthiwa ke amaZulu aseqalile ngalento yawo. Mhlamba nazene nakwenzakaleni. uPhakela Mthakathi ufoneliwe eSoweto eBramfisher. Ufonelwa ke amalunga omphakathi ayingxenye yeMarch and March nabantu abayingxenye yokulwa nama-illegal immigrants. Kukhona umastende obesexakwe ama-foreigner aqashe kuye engasafuna ukuphuma besefuna usizo ke lokuthi aphume lama-foreigner la ngoba nasekuthenini ke ayengene kanjani anivumele kanjani mabe sekufanele ubiza abanye abantu ke lokho ke mhlambe ke inkulumo yangolunye usuku kodwa kufoneliwe uPhakela kayizelanga. Kanti uzothi mayifika lapha noNhlanhla Lux uzoba khona lapha. uNhlanhla Lux ngesikhathi uPhakela ke phela sezokwenza into ayibizelwe. uNhlanhla Lux useyangena uyaqhambukela yonke le nto leyo uzomtshela ukuthi akuyona i-territory yakho lena ngeke sizwe ngawe akhona KZN seSoweto lana. Akhona KZN seSoweto. Umuntu ufonelwe esuke KZN akazange ayizele. Akabhorekile lo muntu ukuthi ubengaze asuke nje ayibhekela ukuthi ubani umuntu oxa kwama-foreign waqashisile ufonelwe ngoba ethenjwa. Wena waseSoweto uyaziwa ukuthi ukhona eSoweto. Awufonelwanga ngalesi simo. Okusho ukuthi ubungadingeki, ubungathenjiwe ngaso. That's why ungafonelwanga. Wafonelwa kuphela Mthakathi wafuma efika lapha ke lona kusekhanda lezi ngxishunxishu yikho ngithi uma bekuthiwa amaphoyisa akafulathele athi asiboni lutho nomphakathi uthi ngoba ke manje sengathi wena ulwa noPhakela ake nijikele ngale nilungisa. Uma ngabe ke nimazi uPhakela thina esimaziyo ke esimaziyo nje uPhakela ke uyabona esimazi even engangeni kulezi zinto lezi kuthiwa ake nijikele njani angifuni ukuthi kodwa ngize behlambe bese kuthiwa ngithini yabo. Lo mfana uvukwa umona wokuthi amandla wasekho kuye alezi zinto. Uma ngabe kunomuntu othandwa elalelwa umphakathi ethenjwa ngumphakathi unenkinga ikakhulukazi uma ethenjwa umphakathi wala yena ehlala khona la khona naye akayiqala lento yahamba yamhlula. Njengamanje sekunabantu abayithatha bayibeka kwelinye izinga lokuthi sekukhona imphumela ebonakalayo usenomona yabo. Yikho ke kwezizinto kufanele nje ngesikhathi ngake kuthiwe nje ngempela ngisayiphinda lena ngayithiwe nje akakube ngathi amaphoyisa wekha fulathele sikhandi zenzeka.
Hawu naNhlanhla Lux ungasipayizeli. Nhlanhla Lux le operation Dudula angasipayizeli. Siyezwa kuthiwa ufuwa waxoxa uPhakela Mthakathi wakhuluma indaba yeKZN lalela KZN la ihlala khona thina siwona amagwala ungathi mabusu ukhokheliwe wena bese uyibona uyisikhondla khondla. Phela Mthakathi kodwa ubulela ngenduku nje uqhasha amatshali la wambethe. Kwawazi indoda enjani ehlezi igodola embathene namatshala siwona amafinyila thina la eKZN. Ngasithathi nje kanjalo. Ngathi mabusu usuthi imali yabantu bokufika bese ulokhu uzozenza isigora la namatshala lo umbathene namatshala solifaka umlilo thina lelo tshala siKZN adlali nezingane.
It's a shame to Jacinta. It's a shame to Jacinta because she have ruled her own family and she thinks she can rule everyone and I never met even one meeting with her. And now she will see the real truth. Ngiyakutshela ngoba insalsa abanginsathe ngayo mina nginezinto ezijuleleyo engizaziyo ngabo that I never announce in public because ngikhulile. I decided to be quiet and also to tell them straight ukuthi umuntu akayihlula yodwa indoda yakhe ayihluleke angahambe futhi ukuhlula wonke umuntu mina nje nophakela I can confirm that we have been used.
Okay, let's talk about the last clip, the one that you've just watched. Yakangizwe uMacingwane. Ungizwe, it seems like he has a lot to say. Like there are things that are hidden there that are still to come. We don't know. We are here. As long as we are still here, I'll be updating you and giving you the information, the new information that we are getting or that is coming out. Share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
Labana how to Bari Mosheshi. Motho a batlang dintho di tle ka ena fela ho bolela peki nene ba reng Ntlantlalax. Ha re qala mona Ntlantlalax e finele Mosotho. Ntlantlalax o simolotse ba on the spotlight ka Operation Dudula. O sontse bene re mona apara kobo a kwala media nyewe hobane Mosotho wa nnete Mosotho wa mampela o apara kobo la ka ba chesa jwang ka polwang a ba kwala dikgotlopo. Jwale Ntlantlalax ka bane jealousy kikile in ka baka la bana phakela ha etsa mosebetsi o etsa ka tradition ya bona ya maZulu ena ga tsa maZulu ba fetoke batho ba sala ntho bona morao jwale jealous kai kika inu Ntlantlalax all of a sudden Ntlantlalax o sa apara go okay fine ka Afrikaans ba re di apple fan ni fair fan di bua mafi Ntlantlalax yena ka molomo wa hae o la tsho a re ntatai ene le shodu ntatai o kene sekolo ka tšhelete ya boshodu hoba ntatai ona robaga jwale Ntlantlalax o sala mehlala ntatai morao ya extortion Ntlantlalax hore abe furious so maobane ke hobane batho bane ba emele yena bala ba ha ba bona phakela ka ba motlwella not necessarily motlwella but ka ba tloa ho yena ba ya ho phakela mthakati
ukufika kwethu la izolo sithe bavala ne sabatshela ukuthi ngoba uMastenta akasabafuni but silindo ukuthi bakhiphe into zabo mase sahleli okay wafika uNtlantlalax uthi uNtlantlalax ufike kanjani I don't know. I ask one of these guys yama Somalia barne ke rona re fonetse uNtlantlalax or ate a tlo buisana leni le community. Ntlantlalax o biditse the landlord a bitsa landlord a re shosho a sa ba batla ba dumela rone a dumela re a sa ba batla when the problem started how fitla phakela mthakati because that community ne ba emele Ntlantlalax ba ile ba tsamaya ba ya kae ko motho no le re ba mo tseba re ba mo emetse for today ba tlo felletsane spa. Yesterday Ntlantlalax was not there with the community, so the community the time ba thoma o lilizela for phakela mthakati abelo re Ntlantlalax o ba leni le problem ya hore why manje ne ba bias and no one was bias because even Leonard Mufile nako ya hae attention ya hae
so ntweo ke o bontsha hore o na le pelo empe ha ona tshebedisano mmoho ene Ntlantla you can't always o batla hore dintho di tle ka wena fela ha e sebetse jwalo hona le batho ba betere ho feta ba etsang dintho ka tsela e betere e leng hore e ikgethile because ntate modimo etsa dintho ka tsela e ikgethile jwale you can't always want to be on the spotlight e be wena fela etsang dintho it doesn't work that way wa bona ile re teng ha o rwakana o re mamang o ta uwe ke nnyo ya KwaZulu Natal
Sota wa ke tingi wa kiza tena wena.
Ka bariki eno he jwale etsa ene Ntlantlalax mamela mona wena sana Soweto ke a batho ba dula mmo Soweto ha se a mmao Soweto ha se a ntatao yena yona o tlamele o etsebe
le wishilo athi ngeke azozwa ngomunye umuntu la iseSoweto ukhulela iSoweto ene akekho umuntu azothi uoniso wethu
Ntlantla o Bari o Mosheshi o Thalala sane o batla o bolellwa nthono e o idirile maabane o phakela ene jwale phakela ka bone ke Grootman o hodile kore ke ratile de wa idirileng ka teng wa itlatlagietso mono wa gasa phakela ka nkela sida le ituela fatse kwana gawana le Bari bana Bari tla dintse le Bari o Mosheshi sane Ntlantlalax o batla o bolellwa ene you are digging your own grave Mosheshi
uDoki ke ubanjiwe usejele as we speak Mr Ngalo ungaphakathi ejele ubanjiswa ANC imbambisela ukuthi uxosha ama foreigners a operator kwi business bengenazo ipermit zoku operate businesses imbambisela ukuthi na uxosha ama-foreigners angenawo amaphepha okuba lapha eSouth Africa. Yonke ke leyo nto leyo uDoc akayenzi yedwa, uyenze ihamba namaphoyisa. Xa sinalo msebenzi lo amaphoyisa abakhona eceleni kwakhe ezokwenza sure ukuthi na abukho ubundlobongelo obenzakalayo, kusebenza umthetho. So ke ngokuvela ukuthi yena amakhansela asebhizana kuwa 23 and 24 ngawa semveni kwayo yonke lonto yokubanjiswa kukaDoc athatha imali protection fee kwizishop zo my friend amakhansela ngosikhotheni weANC lesson khuza ngayo every day. So iforeigner ke libambisa uDoc alinamaphepha elibahlohla bangalovula icase lithi uDoc ulibethile alinamaphepha. Wafika kulo uDoc ethina isho besivale soyivulele na lathi foreigner makuye emaphoyiseni bathi besaphuma ke bese emaphoyiseni epolice station la bethu uDoc ngempama yamaphepha. Mr Ngalo wathi Mr Ngalo walikhalimela zangalibethe futhi ngizoyifaka ivideo comment section. Wathi ungaphindi uyenze lento ayenziwa lonto pha kuma. Yabo. So bathethe lo foreigner ke bathi mali yami liyovula icase. Lihlohlwa ngalamakhansela. So asola ba athathi imali protection fee kulabantu. Kuyasolakala ukuthi na nobabana madikizela ukhona kuyo yonke lento yokubanjiswa kaDoc osemvini kwayo yonke lento yokubanjiswa kaMr Ngalo. Njengoba bangathi na ngoba thena ngoba uDoc xa xosha ama foreigners waxosha njengo president we People for Change la organization yakhe. Yabo. So bathi ngokwena i-mayoral candidate asebhizani banjiwe. Uyabona ukuthi yonke lento ipolitically.
Share your comment also about these two clips that you have just watched. My brother there, he was part of the video, the one that I've posted yesterday. Also, he was not happy about what is happening between Nhlanhla Lux and Phakelo Mthakathi. And also the second clip, the gentleman that was actually telling us a story of the men that got arrested after fighting against illegal immigrants that are here in South Africa. Share your comment in the comment section and let's keep going.
This is the most shocking, saddest, heartbreaking thing that I've ever heard this year. Watch this.
It was Stella like ne ba khona re bitsa o ye go motho a fitla a robala a fe chelete lu dane ga chelete a botse a gre nya open ol 30 rand. So how ya go motho izira of half price ya 30 rand. It's like e adaling yona. Ntwene le bhloko ka ntho like ya ke go ba bona was Stella e jwang. Ina di room tsengata ya bona. Yeah, so shukuthi ha ke biditse ke motho one ba botsana mara wena you don't know that no fitlo ke na o botsore I na le 15 o mofe a o 15 ha o tswa o mongwe go rumeng wa o bitse a ka nka tšhelete o kena le ola re ke na le 10 a itse ntho e etsang a o tswa o le no ka re bala le bana ba 8 10 ga na go one o kena ka motswa ka mo kena ka saka ya bona because wa bona re ke 30 rand nyana so ke salo spin so how do mol sometimes it's up to 100 rand sometimes it's 250 so na hano re 3 bag ke mhlala phansi aksa speaking then ha ke tlo thola batho ba nripleng ne ke phela bophelo bo ke tse bora ke ha tlhakana le monara a re then get to he give I give then ya fela mo wa bo can't those people are tsatsilela no and ignal chelete man like ke tswa ko motho ngomong like ne ke phela le bona ke robala le bona mpha chelete ba ke na le yona man chelete ba re ke reng a ke nyako spinela tomorrow in the morning mo ke ska tswa ke lo spinel sing tabo kanti ha ba tlontse majita ra amra wa Stella if ba bangwe ne bana le ditlhong hore ba o ise pela batho re ba bona hore o robala le batho ba nyao because ne ba tsia advantage pela ntho ne ba itse yabo so ba o isa gae komra hore ba o ise di mahlatheng so kanti majita I 3 and ke bidise ke motho yo one so ke fitla mola as usual o twa etsa ke re wa bona ntho a so e twa etsa fitla ke a hlobola mola ke swere plastic nyane tletse di coin nyana how a ke re monna di show media tla ke a sho ha ba I 3 maybe dates or 2020 futhi like I'll tell you ke tlo fa date chomzaka so signal 90 rand ha ke sharp ke stele bo antai ba lo ba so mara lucky ba berekisa di condom but it was so painful like motho gama ba buya ba ntsela yona tšhelete ne ke tshwere you know atloa o kena o mara a foster di shomtse tsa ba le ba nne ba sanyaki mara ngoba batho wa tseba ba jwang ano ba foster like mntana roba au khame kamo like ke nihela mara still babuya bampetha bangkhama abafetsa vela kano kitima ka tsamaya auna motho ka nthusang ke tsaba ya police station cause how tsuba bano sheba fela nje yeah they don't take you serious ka kena go crystal imile no go tseo yeah wena crystal it's not good crystal e botlhoko ntshela gona bona spoko you can communicate le spoko like yeah shuthi ntshela aketse bore motho entseng crystal was trying to expose baloi or because if ever ke tswa crystal o berekisa ditla I can see you and yeah utsamaya strategy ke gona bona this okay and I will be wena whatever you using o tlo tlhaela ntho go sfatlho the way crystal e bohloko ka teng people they can make you kuba ka re wena wa hlanya
true
cause a ke re ntse o di bonang ha o ba botsa ba bona ka re wena maybe you crazy re na lo dula ka group vele re tsube batho ba teng ba bolela ka matlo they communicate like batho ba crystal ba ka bolaya o dutse le bona yeah and the pipe bible ladies or like can destroyer abeso like batho ne ba khona o rekise a motho rekise soul yawo like re ga dula mshimano mongwe ba mmolaela ntho tsa hae like re dutse go room ngaba room ya teng ha re kena o tletse di class fela those people like but yeah ba mmetsa ka di class like re dutse like ba botso nawe mshaya otherwise if I met re bolaya wena just nje wena banyaka power ela ne ba ka o yetso wena o tsama o bola mtswadi wawo just because we're not cheese boy then but ya power ya how ka yona ntshwela like crystal mate o gona utla le kundwana le bolela bona kundwana le tsamaya maybe nka ibeya bya maybe ke go bona di casino di streets yeah maybe starting sama fello maybe starts out as 10 o gona utla conversation ya batho bali far from you maybe ntloko heni go khoneng o ga utla batho ba bolelang ko ntlong ya go khoneng utlo everything ba bolelang each and everything they talk yeah that thing is dangerous ntshela o gona utlo each and everything abai getsa like how sheba go kidnapping ne you can see like motho umloyi makalenda yabona when you see yeah wa bona o tshwere wa mona lo rulenda o tshwereng o rulenda ka ngo tsamaya ka ane a lende mara how re kidneys you true mara ha kwala damn wa mona moke motho we watsela wetsang le di sound tse ba di etsang you know so batho ne ba sa thoma re collection ke ahlanya.
But fortunately, she's 10 years sober now. I'm so proud of her. And shout out to The Reality with Dolphin. If you want to watch the full video, go catch it there on YouTube. Tango.
Okay, this last clip I decided to edit here as part of this video because it shows that these people that we are complaining about, illegal immigrants, I mean, these are the result by drugs, and then we call them names. We call them Amapara, we call them Abonyawube. There was a video that I've posted, I think last week or so, because I'm posting these videos every day, right? Of Ngabayomuzi Nkwankwa from the UDM, where he was actually speaking that this is the negligence of the government. And then we, meaning they as political leaders, they are fast to call them names. He even said he was not happy, or he once heard another political leader referring to them as Amapara, you know. So these are the problems that we complain about when we are complaining about drugs that are being distributed everywhere here in South Africa, where a certain African group are, a lot of them. Whenever they are, you know that they are dealing with drugs. You know who I'm talking about. Share your comment in the comment section. If you have watched this video up until where you are, thank you so much. I'll see you next time with another video. Thanks. Bye.